fine as any Valentine. I think about her all the time. Cross my heart and hope to die. Sends me silly messages and pictures. Blocked in traffic in the mall, or posing with some brand new shoes. She never fails to surprise. She makes me laugh. She makes me smile. Some travel with us and wear a big party hats. Maybe I will take her on some fun. You'll see it's way from company if that's what you want. Tell me what's wrong with that. She makes me laugh. She makes me smile. And I could hang out with her all day night. She makes me laugh. She makes me cry. And I would like to be with her forever. Whatever else I do, she's still the girl I should hold on to. No matter whatever else I do, she's still the girl I should hold on to. No matter whatever else I do, she's still that girl.